A small fish pond in your garden can be a delightful project. Here are some steps to consider. Planning. Decide on the location, size, and shape of your pond. Consider factors like sunlight, accessibility, and safety for the fishes. So, number two, materials. Gather the necessary materials, including a pond liner, rocks, and bricks for the ponds, each a pump and filter system. Aquatic plants. Excursion the whole of your pond, making sure create shelves and varying depths and accommodate different types of aquatic plants and fish. Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 98 Action. So if you are new here, kindly subscribe our channel and press the bell icon and also like this video. If you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Pond liner. Install the pond liner, ensuring it's well fitted and secured prevents leaks. Water source. Fill the pond with water. You can use tap water, but it contains chlorine. Let sit a few days. Use a make it safe to fish. Filtration. Install a pump and filter system to maintain water quality and clarity. This is crucial in the health of your fish. Aeration. Consider adding aeration like fountain and waterfall to increase oxygen levels in the water. Aquatic plants. Add aquatic plants like water lilies and submerged plants. They provide shades, oxygen, and natural habitat for fish. Fish. Choose fish that are suitable for small ponds, such as goldfish or koi. Introduce them gradually to allow them and acclimate to a new environment.
Maintenance regularly maintains your pond, cleaning drains, checking water quality, and trimming plants, mentor fish health, and provide appropriate food. Number 11, winter care. In colder climates, prepare your pond for winter by installing de-icer to prevent the water from freezing entirely. Enjoy. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the beauty of your small fish ponds. It can be serene and attractive addition to your garden. Remember to research specific details based on your location and the type of fish and plants you want in your pond, as requirements may vary. Natural wildlife pond. Create pond that mimics a natural ecosystem with rocks, native plants, and variety of fish and amphibians. This type of pond can attract local wildlife like frogs, birds, and insects.
Japanese koi pond. Design a tranquil Japanese style pond with koi fish, stone lanterns, and bamboo accessories. Incorporate lush greenery and create peaceful atmosphere with the gentle sound of waterfall. Container pond. If you have limited space, consider a container pond using large pots and trailers. These are placed off your patio and desk and filled with water, plants, and small fishes. Fountain pond. Install a beauty fountain in the center of your pond. It is only adds visually appeal but also provides something sound. Running water. Tropical oasis. Create a tropical provides and incorporate exotic plants like water lilies, lotus plums, trees around the pond. Add colorful fish like guppies or predators complete the look. Formal garden pond. Design a systematic formal pond with geometrical shapes and clean lines and formal water features like spots, squares, the style of ideal classical garden designs. Wildflowers, meadow pond surrounding your pond with a window flower and attract the pollinators but butterflies, bees. This is natural approach can provide a burst, color and life your garden. Bow garden pond. Combine a pond with a bow garden by planting moisture loving and plants provide its this adds texture and variety of your pond ecosystem. So if you like these ideas, like the video and click the subscribers button for latest more interested videos. Multi-level pond. Create visually interest by designing and multi-level ponds with a extending waterfalls and shallow deep areas. This allows for decreased rent aquatic plants and fish. Second pond, dig a second pond into the ground to make it appear more integrated with land space. This can create a seamless transition from your garden with water feature. Zen garden pond. Craft Zen garden with a simple clean lines, minimalist feature and carefully choosing rocks. This design promotes relaxation and meditation. Child-friendly pond. If you have a child-friendly design pond with shallow areas and gentle slopes for safe and superb play, consider adding water-loving plants and colorful fish for their enjoyment. Remember to consider size of your yard, climate, and maintenance requirements when choosing pond designs. Each idea can be adapted suitable for your space, personal style, creating a unique focal point in your garden. So, thanks for watching. Bye bye.